Oh, what's up, man?
Oh, hey, what's going on?
Nothing. How you doing?
Doing good. How about you?
Pretty good. It looks like you're getting some sun out here on the patio.
Oh, yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Elmhurst.
Yeah. So this is the corporate office.
Yeah, come on in. Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, tables ready.
You get free food here?
Yep, every single day.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it really is.
So what else we got in here? It looks like there's a ping pong table over here.
Yep, we're part of an office. We also play on it, too. Hey, Sheila, did you have that fix for me? Thanks, buddy.
This is the pod you work at?
Yep, this is the New Home Connect pod.
What's New Home Connect?
This is our unique platform where sales agents across the country can share ideas, answer questions, and also receive the best training in the industry.
That sounds great. So where to next?
We're going to head over to Taylor and the Sammy table.
So this is the Sammy Pod.
The Sammy Pod. What's the Sammy Pod?
So Sammy stands for Sales Associate Marketing Initiative. So we create different materials from flyers, email campaigns, signage, just anything agents need to help drive traffic.
Cool. You got any marketing tips for sales agents?
Yeah, definitely. So do not wait until the last minute. Make sure you have a ton of time to plan and prepare.
So is this another marketing table over here?
Yeah, over here we have the experience team.
And what do they do?
So they focus on engaging the whole team. So from contests to gifting to social media.
It's fire. So do you have a Twitter handle?
Yeah, at New Home Star. Give us a follow.
Cool. You think you can make that ball into the hoop over there?
I'm pretty confident.
Let's see. Ooh, nice shot, Rick.
Hey, thanks.
That looks like an efficient mode of transportation.
It is. Here at the corporate office, like to move around quickly and efficiently.
I see. So what do we got going on this side of the office?
Back here in the glass conference room, we have the HR team leading their weekly meeting.
What kind of people you recruit here at New Home Star?
Only top-tier talent across the country that helps preserve the heart and soul of New Home Star.
You think I'd make a good fit here?
Depends. Do you like flexible work schedules?
I do.
Then I think you'd be a great fit.
Now, this is the part where you work?
Yeah, this is FinOps over here.
Okay. What's FinOps stand for?
For financial operations. So the finance side, we analyze all the data across the country. Operations, we ensure that our builder partners have a smooth operation in each market that we are.
Oh, is it time to get back to work?
Yeah, I think I'm going to show you towards the door.
That sounds good. I got one more question for you, though.
Sure.
What's your favorite part about working here?
I love the people that I work with, as well as the culture makes it an awesome place to be day in and day out.
That sounds great. Thank you for showing me around.
Thanks for being here.
Of course.